Since I've grown and made these changes, I now don't have to work a million hours a week like I used to. Hi, my name's April Edwards. I am with Deck Builder Marketers, and we exclusively work with deck builders. Before I joined Seven Figure Agency, I was doing everything for everyone, and it was very exciting for a long time, but it was not scalable at all. We worked with a death metal merchandiser, a fertility clinic, an international pressure calibration manufacturer. It was insane. And I knew that I wanted to really hone in on my craft too. So I joined Seven Figure Agency, and they basically just gave me the whole playbook for niching down and scaling my business. Since joining the Seven Figure Agency, I have reached $112,000 monthly recurring revenue. I have a fully flushed out team. I have an integrator, an operations manager, a full production team, marketing assistant, and it's just going to keep getting better from there. And it's so amazing to be in a position where I can help my team reach their goals and see them thrive. What I am so excited about in the next 6 to 12 months is getting a salesperson to replace me, because I know they're going to do an amazing job. We're also going to double our revenue, and I'm super confident in it. I have become a leader in the space, which is pretty amazing, and get a ton of inbound leads, which is pretty amazing. The most valuable component of Seven Figure Agency are the people. It sounds so simple, but I've been in 4 different groups before, coaching groups. Nothing has been this valuable. I've been a member for quite some time, and at this point, I am just so eager to give back because so many people have supported me along the way. Since joining, I have completed or created and honed in on the Deck Builder marketing system. So I now have a proven process that I can rinse, wash, and repeat for all of my clients that I know that's going to work. In addition, from an operational standpoint, I started EOS, and it has changed and completely revolutionized my business. I've got such an amazing culture. Not only does it keep us on track, but it also has brought all of us together. Since I've grown and made these changes, I now don't have to work a million hours a week like I used to. I get to spend more time with my family and travel, and it's so amazing to be able to take some time off and know that the business isn't going to fall apart, and I'm actually still closing deals, which is pretty crazy. Last year I went on vacation and closed 2 deals while I was on vacation. So it's just, it's amazing to kind of see something that you created flourish. If you are thinking about joining, just do it. Come to one of the events and meet people, and you'll understand what I'm talking about. It's something that you don't want to miss out on. The people are incredible. Josh and Yesenia and the whole Seven Figure Agency team continue to add more value, and I'm not lying. Seriously, there's so much value in the coaching and the training and the events that you have to be selective, or else you're going to get overwhelmed with everything that's available for you. But it's so nice that I don't have to bang my head on a table anymore, and I can just reach out and ask one of the other amazing agency owners how they've dealt with the particular problem that I'm going through. And the support is just unbelievable.